All right, the next section we want to add is going to be the counters. So to do that, we just need to go to Elements, scroll down, and we are going to add a counter. Grab the counter and pull it into the dotted area. Very cool. So we can see we get one counter. But what if we want 4 counters? Well, we're going to have to duplicate that one counter. So right click on it and duplicate it, then right click on it and duplicate it, then right click on it and duplicate it, and you got 4 counters. Okay, now clearly we're going to need some padding in between our team and the counters. So let's just add that in right now by clicking on our team section, advanced, and padding beneath it of, let's say, 80. Beautiful. But unlink it, and we only want that 80 on the bottom, remember. Okay, and sometimes you need to actually get rid of the zeros because the zeros can mean something bad. They get rid of like padding you do want. So get rid of the zeros and then unlink it, and then 80 on the bottom is what we're gonna go with. It would be nice if this didn't even say a 0, but right now it just comes out as 0, which we can live with. Okay, so obviously all we need to do now is add an icon above each one of these cool numbers. We can just drop an icon in easily like so. Back to the elements, another icon, back to the elements, another icon, back to the elements, and another icon. And then we can make the background color this really cool red from Sydney. Let's right click on it and inspect and make sure we're getting the right color still. Here it is in the lower right. Just copy the hex. Now come back to our Elementor, and we're going to click on the section settings, style, background type classic, color, and paste that in where it says hex/RGBA. All right. Then we're going to go to layout and stretch that full width. And we can also go to advanced and give it some padding on the top and bottom so that there's a little more space above our icons. Beautiful. And update. Okay, so now of course we want all of this white. We want the icon, number, and text white. So let's click on the icon. In this case, it's going to be really easy to copy the Sydney theme exactly, so let's do it. First thing is the icon should be the briefcase. Hit style to make its primary color white. And then in the number, we can write a ending number of 98. We can hit style and make its text color white. And for the cool number down below, let's just click content, and we're going to write in briefcase. Not sure why it's not plural, but just briefcase is good. Now let's hit style one more time, and we'll make the title text color white. Awesome. If it helps you, as opposed to clicking the white button all those times, we can actually just duplicate this column. All right, and we can do that again and again, and then we can just delete the other columns that aren't the right color. And here I am just right clicking on the column settings box and deleting. All right, super cool. We just need to add the coffee cups, the people, and the diploma. So we're gonna go to the second icon, briefcase. It's gonna be coffee. Perfect. A little bit trivial here, making them all exactly the same, but it's a good skill to be able to copy a website to the T, and now you're gonna know how to do it whenever you see one. All right, that was 814 customers. Okay, and then we got the diploma, and I know I missed that one icon. Really didn't have a clue like what that was called here. And you know, sometimes you just don't know the icon. You gotta just go with what you got. And this was 98, 221 awards. A lot of icons have multiple meanings, so you know, I think we're in good shape. Very good, and we'll update it, and we are all set with our icon boxes, aka our counters.